Hello everyone, welcome back to a video from me. Hi, if you are new, my name is Melissa. I would love for you to subscribe to this channel. We are doing so much makeup over here, like so many makeup reviews. I'm trying to pick up the new collections, the new releases, and I'm just enjoying it. I'm really enjoying doing makeup over here and then vlogs on the weekend. So today I have a brand new video for you guys. I am going to be testing this out. So I saw this on Revolution's website. I was just having a little browse and I saw it and I was like, I'm really into cream blushes at the moment and liquid blushes. So I thought, why not try it? So this is the Super Dewy liquid blush and this is in the shade You Got Me Blushing. So we are going to give this a go. So I've just gone ahead and popped a little bit of makeup on because I'm just doing some content stuff for TikTok, for Instagram. I'm just literally getting my work done today because Liam's home. So I've just popped on the Catrice Super Hydro 24-hour Hyper Hydro Skin Tint. I've just done a video on that, so that will be up before you see this, but I will link it down below if you're interested. So I've got that on. I did pop on a little bit of concealer. I used the Skin in Motion Blend It, and that is pretty much it, and a little bit of brow gel. So we're just going to go ahead and try this out. So a liquid blush. I don't think I've ever used a liquid blush. I've used cream blushes, which I love. So it's got this little rose gold top. I love the packaging, it's gorgeous. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very nice. And then let's just go ahead and... Okay, so this is nice. I like the colour. I feel like we need to sheer it out a bit. So, whoa, I may have put way too much here, but see. Let's go ahead and just pop it on the face. So let's give it a go. So I like a blushy look. Like I feel like I could easily go out with just blusher on and no bronze. So what I'm going to do is apply it to my hand and then on my face. I've never used a liquid blush. So I'm just going to kind of apply it like that. And then I assume you just take a sponge to blend it out. Ooh. Okay, I don't know if you can tell in the camera because I can't in the viewfinder thing, but in the mirror I can see that there is like a very nice glow to this. Very, very dewy, like it says, very dewy, very nice glow. I quite like that. It literally looks like I'm just flushed, like I've just gone flushed from, you know, like when you're a teenager and you're just like talking about boys and then you're like, oh, and you go all flushed. That's what it looks like. It doesn't even look like I've got a blusher on. Like, it's just like a nice rosy tint and I'm here for it. I love this. You guys know Revolution is like one of my favourite brands. I started my channel off doing Revolution and I'm obsessed. It's so nice and I'm really happy with the colour that I chose. So I will put the link down below for you guys to check out. I'm also an affiliate with Revolution, so I'll put the link down below for you guys to have a look. But I love the shade. I feel like I definitely want to pick up more shades. This is really, really nice. What I'm interested to see is if we can build it up and it doesn't get patchy as such. So I'm going to go ahead and just try and build it up a little bit more. Such a nice colour. Such a nice colour. I'm really, really impressed with this. I mean, you could obviously blend it out with your fingers and stuff, but I just like this sponge to blend out things, so. Yes, so nice. I'm going to bring it over my nose. Okay. I'm really happy with that. I am so happy with that for like just an everyday kind of look. I'm just going to put a bit of balm on because my lips are dry. Okay, so here it is. Here is the liquid Super Dewy liquid blush from Revolution. I love it. I think it's so nice. I think it's just a nice blushy look. I just feel like I look flushed but rosy, very nice shade. It blends out really nice as well. Please do check out my other videos. I just posted a video on the Catrice skin tint, which was amazing, and I've done plenty of other videos for you guys to have a look at, and then I also do vlogs on the weekends, so please make sure to subscribe, please join the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye friends.